World's top 5 sexiest women. These days, being hot isn't just about winning the DNA lottery and hiring a good stylist. Want proof? Take a good look at the top awe-inspiring women below. They've conquered social media and dominate news feeds. They make or break trends. And with millions of fans following everything they do, these women are as savvy as they are sexy, their careers expanding into new territory all the time. Sure, there's probably a massive makeup/styling/general fussing over team at play, plus an army of social media and branding consultants. But the faces to break 1,000 hearts deserve our applause and more, especially considering that these women are actresses, singers, models and bona fide business people. Let it be known that our annual roundup of the hottest women in the world aren't just pretty faces, though we're hardly complaining. And this answers user says there is no such record for the hottest woman in the world. We agree, bud. We could never pick a favorite. 1. Gigi Hadid. From a Real Housewives afterthought to the Princess Regent of supermodels, Gigi Hadid has navigated her career better than Lewis Hamilton at the Monaco Grand Prix. It all started with a Desigual show in 2014. From there, the LA native racked up gigs with Corinne Roitfeld, Vogue, several issues of them, Versace and Chanel, paving the way to the throne with a series of front covers and closing runway appearances. Factor in the models must have a famous boyfriend, in this case, Zayn Malik, and Gigi is set to conquer hearts and column inches for years to come. 2. Bella Hadid. Turns out good things do come in pairs. While Gigi got a head start in the modeling career, Bella is hot in her tracks, just with a slightly different career path. The elder Hadid goes for the all-American girl next door, yet Bella is happier to play the black sheep in a series of topless shoots, risque outfits and barely their Victoria's Secret appearance. Granted, her mandatory high-profile boyfriend The Weeknd recently became an ex. That simply means there's a vacancy for a very significant other that we'll happily fill. 3. Kendall Jenner. The Kardashians are the Hollywood equivalent of an indulgent, definitely not good for you meal. You know you shouldn't, but resistance is futile. One of the younger flag bearers, Kendall, is proving to be far less divisive than the TV show that propelled her family to fame. Which is a real cultural anomaly, considering her CV. There was the carry-on protest rejig of Black Lives Matter via an ill-advised Pepsi ad. Then there was the notorious big vintage t-shirts that transposed her own face alongside one of hip-hop's most revered figures, despite the fact they'd never even met. And we still forgive her, every single time. Can't think why. 4. Kylie Jenner. Like the Hadids, the Jenners harbor their own black sheep. Instead of courting high fashion shoots, however, this one is more at home in front of an iPhone camera, a shop window in which she's earned millions. Not that we're leveling this as a criticism. Pair Kylie Jenner's clear business acumen with a body that is worth every penny, and you're left with a young woman as shrewd as she is attractive. 5. Nicole Scherzinger. Nicole Scherzinger has quite the pair of lungs. She fronted 2 albums as part of the Pussycat Dolls, released 2 all by herself, and even had time to squeeze in a couple of appearances on the West End in Cats. Then there's the occasional acting spot in Moana and a frankly unnecessary TV remake of Dirty Dancing, her flexibility hinting at the American singer's enduring success. We can't quite forgive her X-Factor habit, but we reckon most would happily string some bright-eyed, provincial karaoke singers along if Simon Cowell negotiated the salary. You pay them bills, Nikki, and keep us watching.